Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I'm so excited today. This week has been a whole lot of work for me. It has been hectic. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. How was your Valentine's Day? Mine was hectic. My husband went to work and came back home in the evening. I also went out, met with my friend. My friend ordered three layers of waist beads, and I had to take it to her office to deliver it for her. And when I was going, I branched at just right in Abulegba to get just a small biscuit and ice cream for my friend. And before I even go to her office, the ice cream has melted, and I also bought some few things for the house. So my yesterday was just like hectic. When I go to, I started cooking, and I made fried rice. Was beautiful. My husband got me a gift for Valentine. I also got my husband a gift for Valentine. Anyway, I just finished recording a video for my new course. I'm going to be launching my beading course in March, and I finished recording the video a few minutes ago. I just said, this makeup and this hair and this beautiful outfit I wore cannot waste. Let me shoot something for my YouTube people. That's why I'm shooting this. Hope your day went well. How is your Saturday going? So, do you have any questions for me? Anything you want me to talk about, be it bead business or CAC registration, marketing, entrepreneur, business, anything you want me to talk about? Just let me know in the comments, and I'm going to talk about it. I got some people said I should record a video on CAC registration. Actually, I have a course on all categories of CSOS. So I'm not thinking that when I start recording and when I now upload my course now, will people buy my course? But I've come to realize that in life, people will still buy. Those that will watch the course will watch, and those that will buy the course will still buy, because it's not everybody that will watch the course that we even implement. Some people watch the course, they will not implement it. Some people will watch the course, but they will prefer to come to me and give me their money for me to handle it for them. Some people are like that. They don't like stress. So in this life, we have categories of human beings. So if you are thinking of teaching other people so that people will not steal your secrets, the wealth from where that knowledge is coming from is very deep. It cannot dry up. That is what I know. God is the one giving me wisdom, knowledge, and study. Is the one that is always helping me, and I also learn always. So the well cannot be dry. It cannot. Instead, it will continue to have more and more and more. Because of this, I am going to be recording CAC registration, but I only record only business name. I will not record company or NGO. That one is a whole lot on its own, because I have all of them as a course. So if you have watched business name, you have tried me here, and you want to learn company, or you come and put me that one. So I'm going to be shooting the video for CAC registration, but I don't know when, no, because I'm really, really busy. I have a video that I've recorded already since 2 weeks that I've not uploaded. So maybe I'm going to upload it anytime next week, and I will upload other videos that I want to upload. So I'm just here to tell you that if you want to learn CAC registration business name, I am going to record a video for you. But if you know that you cannot wait, come to my DM. I'll come and pay for the course. And the course is only 10,000 naira. It's not even to your data money. Anyway, that being said, I'm going to see you in my next video. I just came to come and talk, not like it's not to do for today. Is not serious talk. And I also tried TikTok hard though. There are so many things I want to tell you, but let me take it one step at a time, because the workload right now for me is becoming much, because I run two brands and I have a lot of things that I'm doing. So I have to take them one step at a time so I don't break down. But you know that I have you in mind. I have you in mind. Just calm down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.